Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this podcast, I'm going to discuss about aphorisms 50 and 51. So there is a continuity in these both aphorisms. So that's why I'm grouping both of them together and trying to discuss what is said in these aphorisms by Hahnemann. So in 50th aphorism, it's discussed that if you can recall, in the in between the 40s aphorisms, it is explained that. Nature only itself eliminates by sort of similar diseases and dissimilar diseases. All the health issues are eliminated by the nature itself. And also in the 26th aphorism wherein homeopathic nature of cure or law of nature, also it is explained that a similar stronger disease always extinguishes a weaker similar disease if it is already present in the body in a complete way. So this is the way of the treatment, or say the therapeutic law. But in 50th aphorism it is explained that nature itself completely cannot heal all the diseases in this given manner because of some following reasons. First thing is, the nature is not having all kinds of similar diseases to completely remove all the existing diseases present in human beings. And the second thing is, sometimes the stronger disease itself is so much harmful that it requires again another medication for the recovery of the person. So just remember that it's a discussion came from a point that why can't we leave, if nature itself is so capable of removing all such diseases, why can't we leave to nature only all the diseases without any medicinal intervention? So if someone gets that doubt, this is the explanation given in 50th aphorism, that nature is not completely capable of doing that. And again, the strongest similar disease, when it attacks a human being, it can't be removed, or say it can't get itself completely removed, as it happens when a medicine is prescribed which is short acted or temporary in action, which is given in 51st aphorism in its continuation. Like, what is the advantage of medicines upon the similar diseases produced by the nature? So it's a kind of comparison. The similar disease produced by nature is generally permanent in nature, and the similar disease produced by medicine is generally temporary in nature. And that in produced by nature is generally dose cannot be altered, whereas the artificial disease that is produced by the usage of medicine, its dose can be altered and repeated when and where needed. And the natural disease, when even if we want to remove that disease, again another medication is needed. Whereas in for medicinal disease, generally it wears off after quite a period of time because it is temporary in nature. And whereas the natural disease produced by nature, similar disease even similar in nature, it will be sometimes more harmful than the existing nature. Whereas the medicinal disease, even it is harmful, it can't harm much because dosage can be altered, first thing. And second thing is, its action is very much temporary and not such harmful without having any side effects as well. So these is the comparison made. So these are the comparison points made in 50th and 51st aphorism. And something which you need to remember, as you guys know, it won't be asked in the similar way, like explain what is dealt in 50th and 50th 51st aphorisms. It will be asked using some terminologies which I'll be referring right now. So what do you mean by cure by symptom similarity, which is something given in 50th aphorism? So it is this sentence, or say this words are used in those contexts wherein we expect nature is capable of healing all sorts of diseases, but it cannot do. That's why we need to rely upon symptom similarity, and using that symptom similarity only medicines need to be prescribed. Coming to the 51st aphorism, these are like happy go lucky operations. And again, in nature also, you can't expect the nature to be healing each and every human being. It happens in very much randomly without any kind of selection or something like that. So it is described as happy go lucky operations. operations. So in 51st aphorism, this term is used, happy-go-lucky operations. That means nature does it in very random way, whereas through homeopathic medicines, we intentionally can cure all sorts of diseases by artificially inducing a disease which is stronger and similar to the existent natural disease in the body. And so the body, in process of trying to get rid of the artificial similar disease that is produced by the medicine, becomes capable of also getting rid of the natural disease which is already existent in the body. And after some time, the artificial disease which is temporary in nature wears off, and the person is absolutely healthy after administration of similar, and that too similarity by symptoms. So similar medication usage results in such recovery in the given, or say in the explained manner. So that's what is explained in 50 and 51st aphorism, and I advise you people to again refer to those aphorisms, because though how much another person explains, what you understand while you read those aphorisms decides and completely alters a lot. So make sure you go through them and again listen to this podcast, so that you'll get a complete clarity of what is explained in those aphorisms. So hope this podcast was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Till then, bye bye and have a great day. Bye.